There's no formal evacuation mechanism. Separately, Mazar Sharif, our consulate there, we have withdrawn all India-based personnel. On the security situation, look, it is of concern. It is a rapidly evolving situation. I think a couple of you asked this question. वहाँ पे भी स्थिति जिस तरह से बदल रही है. अभी Newsgate we asked about whether we have a timeline. Look, I'm not going to get into any such speculation. I've seen media reports. This is a situation on the ground. We continue to hope that there will be an immediate and comprehensive ceasefire. We are supporting all peace initiatives in Afghanistan. Our primary concern is peace and stability in that country and offering a prosperous future, independent, sovereign, democratic. On the discussions with Taliban, we had there's a query from Umashankar ji. जैसे मैंने पहले कह रखा था, we are in touch with all stakeholders, various stakeholders. इससे ज़्यादा मैं अभी कुछ कहना नहीं चाहूँगा. हेलीकॉप्टर एंड कुछ सिक्योरिटी सिचुएशन की डिटेल्स पूछी गई थी. देखिए, सिचुएशन ऑन द ग्राउंड जैसे मैंने कहा इज इवॉल्विंग. It's changed. You're all aware of the developments that are taking place. We are seeing different reports. The ground situation is difficult to understand what is the accurate report. There was a talk about a helicopter which we had given. It came in the news, I understand. Look, all I can say is that this is not, this is not something for us to comment. That wasn't the Indian Air Force helicopter. So I would. All I can say is this is the internal matter for Afghanistan, and I would not like to comment on that aspect. Minorities, I have something here on that. Let me mention that we are closely monitoring developments in this regard. We are concerned about the deteriorating security situation. Our mission in Kabul issued an advisory for Indian nationals earlier this week, advising them to return to India via commercial flights. Last year, our mission in Kabul had facilitated the return of more than 383 members of the Hindu and Sikh community in Afghanistan to India. And our embassy, our mission in Kabul, continues to remain in touch with the Afghan Hindu and Sikh community members. And we will ensure the provision of all necessary assistance to them. Look, let me take up the issue of evacuation or something was asked. I think I think there's some confusion on that. We had issued an advisory for Indian nationals to leave India, to leave Afghanistan back for India through commercial means. There's no formal evacuation mechanism. Separately, Mazar Sharif, our consulate there, we have withdrawn all India-based personnel earlier this week because of the security situation. This is a temporary measure. And our consulate there continues to be operational with local staff, locally recruited staff.